Okay, let's look at this question. This question says a particle of mass m at rest decays into two masses m1 and m2 with non-zero velocities. The ratio lambda 1 to lambda 2 of de Broglie wavelengths of the particle is. It's easy, the answer should be 1:1. Why? So if a mass m decays into two masses m1 and m2, so this is an internal process. This is an internal process. There is no external force involved. No external force involved. So there is conservation. That's why there is conservation of momentum. Now, so if I conserve the momentum in this case, let's assume this has velocity v, this has velocity v. Initially the velocity was 0 because it is given. Initially it was at rest. So I can say initial velocity is 0, final velocity is mv1, और ये भी ज़रूरत नहीं है हम लोगों को, velocity of p1 plus velocity of p2, this should be same. Initial, this is initial case है, and this complete is final. So of course de Broglie wavelength says de Broglie wavelength is lambda 1 will be Planck constant divided by momentum for the first case. Similarly, de Broglie wavelength for second will be Planck constant divided by momentum for the second case. So I just need to write h by lambda 1 plus h by lambda 2. बेसिकली यहाँ पे ये वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज़ हैं, तो दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड जो है वो बराबर होगा. वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज़ तो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होंगे ऑफ कोर्स, तो दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड बराबर होगा. तो हम यहाँ पे ये कह सकते हैं कि h बाई lambda 1 will be equal to h by lambda 2 because p1 is equals to p2 in terms of their magnitudes. So this is true. So that's why lambda 1 by lambda 2 is 1. So answer is T.